Are you looking for best ferrule crimping tool? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best ferrule crimping tools. Number 1. WOZOBUY Ferrule Sleeves Terminal Crimping Tool, High-Quality Ferrule Crimping Toolkit. WOZOBUY, specially designed for electricians and DIY projects. Ferrule Crimpers. Nice set of crimpers tool with ferrules. There are great selection of wire connectors. The crimping plier set is made of high-hardness precision materials and is durable, lightweight and easy to carry. The crimpers with curved design, classic red and blue color matching two-tone handle. Can be operated with one hand, ergonomic. Exquisite and compact, easy to carry. Fits the palm of your hand, comfortable grip, reduces fatigue from long-time use. Effectively improves work efficiency. The crimping pliers are electrically conductive, molds equipped with a wide range of overall hand-cranked, easy to use. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Lion Rage Mini Ferrule Crimper Tool. The new crimping pliers HSC8 for a tubular terminal crimper wire mini ferrule crimper tools household electrical kit with box. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Makerele Ferrule Electrical Terminal Crimping Wire Tool. The crimping tool is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and has a long service life. The handle style of our product is bent, the plier style of our product is European. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 4. Best Tube Terminal Crimping Tool. Ergonomic handle design provides improved gripping power, adjustable ratchet and lever action construction reduces fatigue degree. Special four-mandrel crimping style for square crimp, high-quality crimping standard ensures repeatable crimping action. Ideal for crimping insulated and non-insulated wire ferrules. Quick release safety lock. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Latest Wire Terminal Ferrule Crimping Tool. Wide crimping range, durable and compact structure for insulated and uninsulated connectors. Professional craftsmanship, low grip, lightweight, power amplification through the elbow, ideal for crimping insulated and non-insulated wire ferrules. Professional wire crimping tool could help you quickly complete the wiring. Suitable for all kinds of equipment, switches, batteries, cars and household, electronic components with pins, etc. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.